Alright, hey guys, so welcome back to another video, and this is my custom Dirt Devil. I got a different Dirt Devil powermax base plate on there. So we're going to do the ultimate performance test on this super ultra dirty rug, so here we go. Still collecting stuff. Now look at all that. Didn't do very well at the middle there. Alright, that should be good. Alright, well there we go. That's all the fine dust in there. You can see how much, I guess it didn't do that great of a job. I mean, there's still surface debris on there. It just got mostly just the fine dust off of that carpet. It's not the best. I mean, but it's not that bad for a cheapy machine like this is. Yeah. Now on to the next rug then. Okay. Got the other rug. Got all that.